when we say blame fixes nothing, there's a period after that, right? That's a full stop. And
Right.
whether that's a leadership issue, because so where does that stop, right? We go up a level and we say, well, frontline leaders were the problem. Are executive managers getting the same level of blame for things that happen? Are they getting poked and prodded and disciplined for their executive errors that they make? Or are middle managers getting reprimanded and fired for some of
Hmm.
those kind of erroneous things that happen in their leadership? So where does that stop? And so
Right.
when you start to go down that path, you quickly realize that it's blame fixes nothing. If it's
Hmm.
after an event and there's frontline employees involved, it doesn't help to blame the employees, and it doesn't help to blame their leaders, and it doesn't help to blame the executives either. Like
Right.
if it's poor audit findings, if it's not an event, if it's an operational upset, if it's a quality escape, if it's just some other problem that we have, inserting that element of blame at any level of the organization just stops us from learning, right?
Right.
And that's a really key thing to take away, is this isn't just directed to the person with their hands in the work. Blame fixes nothing, period, full stop, throughout the hierarchy of the organization. It's just not good for us, right? It just gets in the way of us learning deeper, more rich information about what takes place in our work worlds.